Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're looking at the DeWalt 60 volt max cordless grinder with kickback brake. Now I do have a full video on this showing you how to configure the guard and the locking switch and all kinds of stuff, so please check the video description for that. And then today we're just going to go over installing the disc if that's the only thing that you wanted to know. Please make sure you do read the owner's manual, and this is just a quick video showing you what's involved with installing the disc. So next we're going to bring in our unthreaded backing flange, and as you can see there are notches in the back side of it here, and that is what we're going to line up onto our spindle. You'll see the flat edges there as well. So we're going to put this one down, and you're just going to have to move it until it locks into its place. Okay, so just make sure the unthreaded backing flange has that lip pointed upward like that. It wouldn't have locked into place otherwise. And now we're going to bring in our disc, and so we're going to put it label side up, so the label's on the opposite side at this point. And next we're going to get our locking flange, so it has the two teeth here that need to go onto the spindle in that same spot. So once you line it up there, you'll spin it clockwise. You can see the lock symbol is clockwise and the unlock is counterclockwise. So spin it on by hand until you can get it pretty firm. Next you'll bring in your Allen key, and so basically it shows you the symbol here. There's a lock and unlock, so as you put it in this and turn it clockwise, it will turn it to lock it, and then the counterclockwise motion would unlock the spindle to where you could remove it. Now as you're tightening it here, you are going to notice that the entire spindle moves, and so what we're going to do is flip this over, and you're going to hold down this button, which is the spindle lock. So you kind of have to move it a little bit back and forth to get it to go down, but once you hold that down, it's locking it, and it allows you to tighten this disc down. So that's the way to do it so that the spindle does not move, is holding that spindle lock and then tightening this down with the Allen key. So that's how easy it is to install the disc. Just make sure that you get the owner's operator manual and you go over that as well. Keep in mind that different discs might have different ways to be installed. This is just a general overview of how it works. And so if you have any questions, please let me know, and check the video description for the full video on this angle grinder, as well as the other tools that I've reviewed and taken a look at. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks guys.